Need a good attorney? Understanding the role of attorneys in the legal system. When you hire an attorney, you may unknowingly place yourself in a legal status known as a ward of the state. This classification implies a degree of incompetence, where the state assumes a form of guardianship over your legal affairs. The historical and legal context surrounding this concept is complex and rooted in long-standing legal doctrines. 2. The legal implications of birth registration. The signing of the birth certificate by the mother, typically designated as the informant, establishes a legal framework that can affect an individual's status. This practice dates back to administrative procedures that prioritize ease of processing vital records. However, some argue that this process inadvertently assigns the child as a ward of the state, with the state assuming certain legal authorities. 3. Estate and trust law, the foundation of legal status. In legal theory, the concept of the estate plays a critical role. Upon birth, a legal estate is created, with the state often acting in an administrative capacity. The idea is that without formal assertion of one's status as the executor of their own estate upon reaching legal adulthood, individuals may remain under the presumptive authority of the state. 4. The role of the certificate of live birth. The certificate of live birth functions as more than just a record of birth. It is part of a broader legal framework that establishes a person's legal identity within the state's administrative system. The issuance of this certificate is a critical step in creating a legal entity that interacts with various governmental and financial systems throughout life. V. The relationship between the state and the individual. The state operates under legal presumptions about the status of individuals, particularly concerning their capacity to manage legal and financial affairs. This system assumes individuals are under state guardianship unless they actively assert their independence through specific legal mechanisms. Vi. The role of attorneys in estate administration. Attorneys, especially those affiliated with the Bar, British Accreditation Registry, are often seen as intermediaries between individuals and the legal system. Their primary duty is to the court, and they operate within a framework designed to manage estates and legal entities. This can create a conflict of interest, where the attorney's role may not fully align with the client's expectations. 7. Navigating the legal system independently. Understanding the legal structures that govern personal status and estate management is essential for those seeking to navigate the system independently. While attorneys provide expertise, individuals should be aware of their rights and the legal implications of their status within the system. 8. Conclusion: empowering legal awareness. Legal systems are complex and often opaque. By gaining knowledge of how legal identities and estates are managed, individuals can make informed decisions about their legal representation and personal autonomy. This awareness is the first step towards reclaiming legal authority over one's own affairs and understanding the deeper mechanics of state and legal relationships.